Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Make sure your phone has at least 50% battery or is plugged in, and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Once done, perform a quick backup to your cloud account or local computer so you can restore if something fails. Now open Settings, tap System or General, and select Software Update. You're starting the process now. Press check for updates so the device can find the latest package. You'll see update details and file size. Read the notes to know what changes are coming and whether apps might need updates too. Next, tap Download. Use Wi-Fi to avoid data charges and confirm you have enough free storage. Delete unneeded files if you're low. Once download completes, choose Install Now or schedule for time you won't need the phone. During installation, your phone will reboot several times. Let it finish without interrupting power. After installation, check Settings, right arrow about to confirm the new version, and review any app updates. If the phone is stuck on a boot screen or setup loop, first perform a force restart. If that fails, boot into recovery mode to clear cache or retry the update. Make sure to try the update again after freeing storage or performing a backup restore. If problems persist, contact your device maker or carrier with error codes. They can guide
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.